Welcome to the FFS Pro Site Builder. FFS Pro Site Builder is our step-by-step design and quoting tool for sales and purchasing personnel. In this latest tutorial, we'll be showing users a new product section, the cable tight system, recently released in the UL markets. Begin by going to builder.ffspro.com to log in. After creating a new quote and filling out the unique information for that site, users will see a new section for cable tight system in the UL markets. After clicking on Begin section, the first page will ask the user the total number of 3/4 inch diameter sump entries that are found on their specific site. The system is looking for the number of sump entries and not the number of sumps. The user has 3 different entry options: electrofusion, rigid flat surface, and rigid round surface. On the second page, the system is asking the user for the total number of 1 inch diameter sump entries, rather than the 3/4 inch diameter sump entries. It is very common for dispenser sumps in UL markets to be considered conduit lists. On the next page, the user can select the total number of 3/4 inch diameter or 1 inch diameter electrical connections that are required on their site. Again, the user should specify the total number of electrical connections and not the number of dispenser sumps. On the next page, the user will be asked to specify the quantity of interstitial or probe connections that are found on this site. These connections will be found on top of the underground storage tank, but outside of the tank sump itself. Another common electrical connection would be ones used for a canopy or signage at a retail fueling location. On this next page, the user will be asked to specify the number of 3/4 inch diameter or the 1 inch diameter electrical connections that are required. One of the last questions that the users are asked is to specify the total number of conduit connections found at the electrical trough at or near the building or kiosk. On the last page of this section, the user is asked to specify the number of coils that are required on the site. The 3/4 inch diameter coils are available in lengths of 1500 feet. The 1 inch diameter coils are available in lengths of 1000 feet. That concludes the new updates and improvements to the FFS Pro Site Builder tool.